Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by creating a virtual environment for your project. Run Python 3. 11m venv to create a directory named env. Use Python 3 venv on Linux and Mac OS, and Python venv on Windows. This creates a local Python interpreter and a site packages folder inside env. The environment isolates dependencies from global packages. Treat env like a project toolchain that you can delete or recreate safely. Activate the environment before installing packages to ensure isolation. Use source env/bin/activate on Mac OS and Linux. Use env/scripts/activate on Windows PowerShell or CMD. exe. After activation, run pip install package to add libraries to env. Save reproducible dependencies with pip freeze requirements. txd so others can install identical packages. To install from that file, run pip install r requirement. When you finish working, run deactivate to leave the virtual environment. You will return to the system Python prompt and path settings. To upgrade pip inside env, run Python mpip install upgrade pip while activated. If an environment becomes inconsistent, delete env and recreate it with Python 3 venv. Use pip cache purge to free disk space when needed. Commit requirements. txd and ignore env in version control with git ignore to avoid committing dependencies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.